In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Screen Tone Moiré in Krita. To use Screen Tone Moiré, select the Brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the Brush Presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type Screen Tone Moiré. Once the Screen Tone Moiré brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger tone area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed Moiré effects. The Screen Tone Moiré brush in Krita is useful for adding pattern tones, textured shading, and unique screen tone effects to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating manga-style illustrations, stylized backgrounds, or adding detailed visual patterns. Use a larger brush size when covering wider areas with tone patterns, and use a smaller brush size when adding precise tone details. After selecting the Screen Tone Moiré brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying Moiré tone effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Screen Tone Moiré in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.